Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video of Tasty Planet Forever. And today we're gonna be the, the big city bee or something, whatever. Yeah, the bee, we unlocked a heavy hungry collapse. It's a cellulite. So let's see we're keeping these experimental cleanly these messages a day. Seems to be keeping hip, but it is there's no promising problems. It's a super bee. It pollinates like a regular bee, but is resistant to colony collapse. Unfortunately, it's not mild aggression to smaller creatures. Hey, what are you feeling? Am I gonna be on a what? Is that bee of giant eyes? Why is it looking at me? Looking at me, bee. What's it like for you to see how I started off as a bee and ended up being hit by Aria of these gross looking creatures? They look like a cross between a mole and a bee. I can't believe I really had to. I'm pretty sure these moles might hurt. Gnats might hurt me. Yeah, I knew that after my which have heard the gnats and the bees. It looked like the bees have a baby now. Because right now, bro, why is it close that these bees don't hit? They would team up with the yes I can eat the gnats now, but I'm still big enough to not eat these guys yet because I'm a tiny gross bee right now. Like it's not even like a pet to use such a small for Jack Black or some other pieces of crap. I'm pretty sure I'm the same size as a butterfly right now, as you can see. These bees are just the size as rats, but I'm still 8 millimeters my size. Bro, I can't believe bees are smaller than butterflies. How is that possible? Get in my mouth, bee. Okay, watch out for the hummingbirds. I know there's hummingbirds over there. Yeah, they live. That idea. I don't know what type of hummingbird they are. They're bee hummingbirds, and they protect bees from me. I am meat eating. Are they trying to fly away from me, or what's going on right now? I have been waiting for what's going on my face. I felt like I'm the same size as a hummingbird right now. If felt like I'm the same size as a hummingbird right now, but it's not. Bro, why are they the same size? Why are they already? Look at this funny mount, funky looking mount. This is the first time I've ever seen a bee not grow his mount. His ugly mount. Are we in Australia right now? I want to eat you dead. Because now you're gonna have to take your various experience, and now we're talking about flowers. I'm the same size as a butterfly right now because I was right. A butterfly is larger than a bee. I really wish you would give me more chance for giving me all of your flowers because I'm a giant bee who likes to eat little hummingbirds all the time. Okay. Watch out for the cardinals over there. Okay, you can eat them now. I didn't realize. Oh, hey. It still looks like question for my first eating of omnivores. I'm just gonna take down you and like pigs, I'm said to eat apples, but I'm said to also eat anything else that I heard from a fact. Because when I get exploded, I lose 100 points. And it means that these birds are close to them and they don't get exploded, but I do get exploded by them. No one cares, I'm the same size as a basketball right now. Just get inside my mouth right now, you. Can I eat the bushes yet? Because I'm about the same size as a dog right now. I want to. That's it. I didn't get to attack wildlife right now. Mind your old beeswax. I would always get. No question of me, I'm eating all your honey sates. It looks like I've been eating the entire game, but no, I'm eating every single part of the universe. Well, I know there's cardinals there. We gotta watch out for the cardinals because they might hurt us. They might be dangerous. They are dangerous. They lose 200 points. I heard that. They can do more damage than drones. I did not know that. Yeah. Okay, it's my time. To empty all this. Now it's time for me to not empty all the honey in the world. We got some dangerous stuff now. Well, those flowers are different than the other ones that we had eaten. We had to eat some pine cones. We had to eat the other pine cones and some flowers. They're over there. I hope they don't attack us. Yes, give me one card. I just immediately started to gore him because I'm just a giant bee who loves to eat nothing but anything. Oh, okay, that's not even what I'm thinking now. I'm just getting overstimulated. Secrets of death. Push me and you will. Wait, what? I can't eat any of them. I'm the same size as a basketball right now. It says that I'm 32 centimeters. I'm a bee. Have you ever seen bees, Daniel? This is what the bee looks like. It eats everything. Bees will eat you if they had the chance. I'm gonna eat cardinals. Right now, I'm gonna eat the cardinals. I heard cardinals. Okay. Act like a boss. I'm the boss of the bee world. Good. Oh God. Not a single star. Leave bee alone. Wait, what is going on? Why am I a tiny little bee? Ugh. Don't jinx the bees. 192 points have been taken away from a gardener. Yeah, that does the same amount of damage as the drone. This video is gonna be so short because I'm tiny. Like a bee. They're not close to everyone at all. Oh my goodness, I can't believe these bees are starting to startle me. Like, look at them. They obviously have been fed a nectar but will sometimes use their stingers. As females, they will sting you, but as males, their stingers are weaker. I heard that from my scientific. And I don't think I'm supposed to eat any single bit of the bees yet because I'm just huge compared to them. I don't have to eat the bees that are trying to attack and eat my pollen. How long is this level? It's gonna be short because... Okay, he hurt me and I lost 100 points again. What is going on? Why am I a huge bee that does not want to attack him? If we eat them, then I have taken a literal point. Or okay, I can't believe we are already eating the nectar. We haven't eaten one bee, which means that I am a genius at this. I am so smart that I literally became smarter than Albert Einstein. Just get away from me, bees. No one attacks my nectar. It's Barney the bee, and his nose and eyes are big. Right now, I'm watching. Man, are they over yet? No. Yeah. I'm so I'm so I'm so smart and but the dumbest kid in class will not usually use everything. But I'm the dumbest kid in class because have you ever seen Who Loves Kids better than this? I'm just the dumbest kid in class. Just the dumbest kid in class. And I'm not allowed to eat these bees because I am going to hide such a genius that I'm obviously bigger than those bees right now. But I don't want to eat them because I'm taking cover. Brace for impact that. I was about to eat that. Oh! Come on, I was about to eat that. Die! Going into 2 pollen comes. I just didn't realize they were gonna eat it. I just didn't realize they were that high. I'm so close to them. I'm so close to them that I can't even feel my bee intestines. They hate me even though I'm a bee. They don't care about me. I'm just a tiny little bee who transforms into a big one with really ugly looking eyes. The last one's gonna be on this flower. Ugh. Wait for it, and there we go. I got a 1 star from a bee. Birds with a feather. Okay. I'm gonna hit. Okay. Birds. I'm bad at it. Because check this out. This time it didn't hurt me. But on the beaks they would. On the sharp bumpy beak on the sharp beak they will hurt you because on the tails they won't, but on the face they won't, and on the sharp nose beak they will. I forgot. They're everywhere. Even though they're so slow, there's 1,000,000 cardinals that's in the game. My Garn, he's actually chosen for me to beat. Most of the times when I hit them, they hit me back because I'm tiny enough to actually. Cardinals actually ate the hummingbird. My cardinal. 1,000,000. Ugh. Sucked out of a black hole and a bee had a baby. Anything but me being a bee looking at the cloud is insane. Like, I can't even look at those cardinals. Even though those cardinals are so slow, I'm pretty sure they're faster than me. And what it looks like, these hummingbirds are slower, but the cardinals are 25,000,000 the fast. I'm delusional right now because what I'm seeing is chicken. Don't mind me, I'm a tiny bee who almost got attacked by a cardinal. Cardinals, I suppose, love to carry on by returning to the tops of their feathers right now. I'm pretty sure they are. I am top of them. You wouldn't even know who it is to go around. Just get me in my... Get inside my little mouth right now so you don't have to be eaten by eating the butterfly. Just die. Okay. Just get inside my mouth. Oh. Maybe not. Would you ever believe these cardinals are dumber than me? No, because they smart. Because they would not believe. Oh, what's this? On the ground? No one likes me anymore. I've been waiting on my few inch commentary. I got almost nothing but a happy that I got nothing nowhere bit by a carnivore. But I'm a bee. Have you ever seen bees? I'm pretty sure that I'm eating hummingbirds instead because cardinals are huger than hummingbirds. Because hummingbirds should be me in the size. Stop with your hummingbird feeding and come back to me. Just get in my mouth right now. Hey Sandra, would you ever believe me as your god? I almost got bit by your beak. Your extremely sharp beak. Halfway through the video, I was attacked by what is a cardinal. But until then, I'm clearly the same size as a cardinal. Maybe not. Can there only be one thing that might be gooder than this right now? A man, a bird would eat my mother if there was anything. Yeah, the truth is that cardinals actually attack humans like that, yeah. Which means that they have to eat meat. And it means that they also eat live animals. And it also means that they are carnivores. But they attack each other, which makes them a cannibal. Get into my mouth right now. They're faster than me now because I almost got close. I got close to the head and beak of a cardinal, but I got still sparked it. Have you ever seen a hummingbird that fast? Like, oh my gosh, these guys are so fast. They don't know. I'm eating the cardinals. No. Am I allowed to eat cardinals now? Okay. I almost got hit. Better watch out for eagles though, because I have a feeling that eagles attack from the beak instead of the head. Yeah. I'm almost the same size as a cardinal because I am faster. They are faster than me. Why are they faster than me? Come inside my mouth. This time I got attacked 5 times by one since the beginning of time. The entire cardinal company is cannibalistic. Get inside my belly, tummy. No question from them, they actually attack from the head. Just get inside my big fat mouth. Finally we can eat some. That's it? I got negative 7,775 wind beneath my wings, and I hope it's nothing against the dangerous eagle. Yeah, not a seagull, an eagle. I forgot how big cardinals were. You gotta watch out for the eagles. I'm pretty sure they're obviously everywhere because I am being attacked by one right now. Oh my god, they're faster than me. Why? Eagles attack from the head. Okay, unlike the cardinals, the eagles attack from the sharp beak instead, which is insane. Just a quick out knowledge that Cardinals actually close to like that. And probably it's not because I'm a tiny little bee who invades most of New York City. I'm also a tiny little beehive who could use the United. Oh my God! How many birds are there? I can't see much going on. They're everywhere. There's only 2 birds follow, but I keep getting attacked by their actual beaks because they're bird feeders. Humans are bird feeders. Would you ever see a human eat a dog before? Because I'm a same size. Oh my, yes! Give me a bald eagle. 3 branches. 3 to you. Eat this guy. Where's my last diet? Okay. There. Okay, I got almost. Let it be. Raffles. I used to like it since I I am the same size as a dog now. Ugh, I almost got attacked by one. Go when I. Can't eat the boxes yet. Is all that gonna be safe from a shark? Get in my mouth, they're my favorite food. See what else we got. I'm the same size as human right now. I'm the same size as human. I can eat cars. Gosh, it's so. Humanity, I'm just the same size. I was the same size as a human, and right now, the same size as the entire building. That's it? Bro, we don't hive a bite. Oh, great. We got confronted by those cars. I'm gonna sideswipe these cars. Oh, finally there are no cars. Die. That's it. Hive a bite to eat. Doing better. Doing better. We did better this time. We got finally a 2-star. I hate this level so much. Don't question me why it takes 10 minutes to complete. It's because all of this is all about tiny balloons. That's a ripoff. I like have a bite to eat right now. But yeah, I'm just about to say have a bite to eat because I'm a high living monstrosity because I'm just bigger than balloons. Still can't eat the other ones. I need to eat air versus helium right now. I would use it, have a bite to eat, but I'm still loving battles between balloons and heavenly oases. I would often hear a balloon popping so loud that it descends from all existence, destroys the entire game. Balloons are delicious though. Yeah, the buzzing noises sound perfect for B2E. Oh. Now we're getting stuff. I'm the same size as a dog. How? It says I was gonna eat the other one. Now we're eating more stuff right now. It's not like we're Bendy Machine or Squid Game or Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. I'm gonna eat all of you. Except for these guys because they are ugly as freaky. What do you mean it's bigger than that? Now we're eating stuff. This level takes 100 minutes to complete. I feel like it. Now we're getting some stuff right now. Okay, I can't eat this. One red balloon. We eat all of the balloons. No question. Instead of being a meat eater, I became a balloon eater. And upcoming next is Bee in the Cockpit. And I believe that the bee lives inside a cockpit. I'm gonna live with some of these bullets are everywhere. Okay, I got hit by their missiles. Okay, there we go. No question to be, why are they... What the heck? Why are they shooting bullets? I got burned again. Let's eat some delicious trees. Deliciosos. Okay. Don't touch purple nectar. Don't eat. Okay. This time it's gonna be the purple ones, yes. As fast as I can. Don't touch the purple nectar. They forced me to not eat the purple ones. Yeah, instead of that, we'll just say please. I almost ate the purple flower. Which means that I'm colorblind. I thought that was a yellow one. I'm colorblind. I became colorblind again. Nectar time. Everything as fast as possible right now. Eat everything as fast as possible. I'm the same size as a bee right now. I'm a giant bee right now, okay? Okay. Twirling about like it's nothing to be worried about. What happens if I eat the purple nectar? Would that make it as negative 100 million? Where did this nectar come from? That was a fast lead. I'm a tiny little bee who hates everything. Five more to go and then we're dead. Done. I'm 15,000 years old right now. Apartment 27B. Oh, what's this? Oh. What is this? What is this? Why am I gonna eat the apartments? Is this the Empire State Building? Wait. What did I eat? Came back. I did not eat anything. Really? Well, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for Tasty Play Forever. This video is way longer than we expected. We're gonna get the shark, and my hand's shaking. I hope you all enjoyed this video.